ng yung activities nyo, hindi ma-implement lahat. Like, kasi I've been in the batch assembly and not all programs na pinlano ng mga officers namin, hindi naman natupad lahat. And ano ba, hindi naman na kasalanan yun. So, like, siguro konti lang talaga yung sobrang pinlan sa SCOA. Yun lang, kasi konti lang dun yung na-implement. So, ano yung magagawa nyo about that? Like, ano gagawin nyo? Like,
Please specify to this question as well.
Ang first ang tagod.
Sorry, clear up lang kasi ang sinasabi mo is, what if hindi namin magawa for 10 yung projects namin, hindi namin matapos lahat ng 10, for 9 lang or 8 na nagawa namin, ano ang gagawin ko? I guess, if ever I decide to run again next year, i-carry over ko siya. Pero, yung mga promise, ang gagawin ko yung mga kailangan na students. So, since consultative ang Santugon, I'll ask the students, okay, first, what do you want? Sa platform namin, like, grade 1 to 5, yung 1 yung pinaka-gusto nyong mangyari sa mga magkatotoo. Tapos, what else do you want to see that's not in our platform? So, unahin namin yung gusto ng students, yung mga ayaw na students, syempre hindi namin gagawin kasi sino wala pa-participate doon pag walang may gusto mag-participate. Bakit ito pag-gagawin?
So, hindi lahat ng activities niyo sa SCOA parang i-implement?
No, balak ko lahat i-implement. Pag kakayanin ko, pag kaya ko, gagawin ko, di ba? Why not? Pero, ewan ko, I've not made any practices. I promises that all 10 will be implemented. All 10 will come true. Since I'm pretty sure that my batch will have, may isip pa sila better or something. Kaya kami consultative. Kasi hindi naman ako yung supreme being ng batch 2 dito na ako lang yung may alam na what's best for my batch. So, consultative. Kaya I ask for them. So, at saka responsive din kami, di ba? So, if they want something, I'll try to make it work.
So, last question. What if yung ibang students sa batch niyo gusto yung ganitong project, tapos yung ibang students ayaw naman yung ganitong project? So, paano niyo aayusin yun?
Like, kunwari, I don't see, parang, like, ayaw nila nung isa, edi why not make, do both?
Yeah, pero paano ayaw nila? Diba sabi niyo kanina, pag ayaw ng students, hindi niyo gagawin. What if hati sila? Like, song like this project and song like this project. Like, how will you do it? Kasi diba sabi niyo, consultative naman kayo. So, like, paano niyo gagawin?
So, kunwari, ayaw ng kalahating batch, edi, kasi meron pa rin may gusto, why would that hinder me from doing my projects?
Pero paano pag ayaw yung isa, diba? So, susundin niyo yung gusto. Paano naman yung sa ayaw?
Baka meron, it's either may iba kami projects na pwedeng gawin na both would like, or, pero parang, yun nga, may ibang projects pa rin kami, diba? Tapos pag ayaw talaga nila, I'll ask, bakit ayaw mo? Gets mo? There's room for improvement sa lahat ng tatlo. Maraming room, wait naman.
Okay, there's room for improvement. So, kung ayaw ng isang tao doon, you can't please everybody. We have different personalities. Part yan ng Santugon. And each individual, iba-iba yan. And we recognize individuality in Santugon. And so, kung meron tayong individuality, it's his choice, it's her choice if she wants to join or not. Our job is to do something for the badge. It's the activities for them, for the badge representatives, and for us, the policies. So, did you answer your question? Thank you for answering my question.
Tungkol sa tanong kanina, narinig ko ng sa'yo sa inyo dahil. Pwede bang narinig ko naman sa inyo? Sa tanong ko kanina. Yung question ulit mo. Sakaling manalo kayo, tapos wala mo lang matapagkaya isa sa mga plataforma ninyo. Anong sarili ko sakaling tanong ko sa inyo na
Okay, the programs that are shown in our GPOA were not made overnight. This took extensive planning, critical thinking, if we are capable of achieving this. It was over 1 month period, late nights.
Of course, we will not waste our time planning 1 month, a month,
every night na umabot kami ng mga 9 o'clock. We will not waste time kung hindi rin namin yung gagawin. That's our point.
Give some or give all of your long-term programs of each party. Some or, okay, at least 2 or 3 of your long-term program of each party.
Taray mo. Anak.
Okay, so we have this project. It's called Ang Sarap. So we meet very academic reviewers to achieve progress. So ang goal natin doon is, diba since per block, iba-iba naman yung prof natin for CS, Compro 1. Iba, akin si Dogma, sa kanila baka iba. Baka may chances na iba-iba yung tinuturo. So ngayon, ang plano namin is to get the notes from each block.
Compro 1.
Tapos, kuwari S11, S12. Tapos, kuwari akin, kunin namin yung notes namin. Tapos, ipag-halo namin. Tapos, ibabalik namin yung Compro 1 notes. Tapos, kuwari, yung S11, kuwari S11, S12, Compro 1 yung subject. Tapos, S17, S18, basic code. So, yung S18, S17, since nagbigay sila ng basic notes sa S11 at saka S12, ang S12 at saka S11, ang babalik namin is Compro 1 notes. Yun yung ang sarap, sharing academic reviewers to achieve progress. So, walang iwanan dito. Ang gagawin na, parang to lessen the chances na bumagsak yung isang person sa catch 2T12 because wala siyang notes or incomplete notes niya or dahil hindi tinuro ng prof niya yung certain subject, a certain point na yun. Tapos yung long term siya kasi we'll do it every term. So during midterms and finals, yung big quizzes na binibigay sa amin ng profs.
What do you mean by long term?
Diba we would serve, diba, for buo hanggang March, hanggang ilan yung term namin in February? March or May? Until the next...
April.
Hanggang April. Hanggang April siya. So yun, that's long term.
Like, parang magagamit na siya ng batches after.
Oo nga. Oo nga.
Kasi isang term lang namin as a slate, hanggang April lang namin ito magagawa.
Like, parang kung ano yung mga activities na maiiwan niya sa next batch na mag-relieve ng marks sa CCS, hindi lang sa buong term nila.
Okay. So yung reviewers na yun, paano namin i-document, tapos for the next batch, i-summarize lang nila, or pag may umulit na point, pwede nila i-delete or gano'n. Ibigay ko. Or, yun. So that's one of our long term. So may isa pa kaming long term if you want more.
Yung catch 911, isa tulad yung sinabi niya kanina, yung box naman pwede naman iwan na namin doon, diba?
For the next
term, for the next batch ng fraud, yung catch 911.
So as I said earlier, the catch 911 is the parang Viva's booth, except yung maglalagay lang kami ng box somewhere, parang we'll pigeonhole there. Pigeonhole for people, pag may Viva's na sila, pwede nila kami i-contact. Hindi ba yung parang, oh my God, saan yung batch na yun?
No, that's a long term. Same day.
Ha?
How much?